everyone, this is Pooja Roy and welcome to my channel Online Shiksha Diksha. The days are very competitive. When the result comes, the parents start comparing thinking. They start comparing that who has scored better and what is the score of my child, even what is the percentile and the rank of my child. In that case, children are actually categorized. They are categorized on the basis of their marks. Somebody becomes weak, average, or somebody becomes a topper. Is not that the weak children can be the topper? Yes, they can be. They need to learn something from the toppers. And here I am with such video. Yes, I'm here with 10 things what weak students can learn from the toppers, and they can also come in their category. But before we start with this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of my new videos. And also don't forget to give the comments and share the video with others. So let's start. As I said, there are a number of things what the weak students can take from the toppers, and they can also score well. The first thing I'm going to talk about is effective time management. Toppers, they excel not just because they are inherently gifted, but because they manage their time efficiently. They prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and adhere to schedules, ensuring they make the most of their study time. That's the main thing. You might have seen many children saying, "Oh my God, from the birth he is very intelligent." It doesn't happen. It's study which makes you special. Coming to the next point, consistent effort. Toppers understand that consistent effort over time yields results. They do not rely on last minute cramming, but instead dedicate regular time for studying and revising materials. The top students have active learning strategies. Rather than passively reading or listening to others, toppers engage actively with the material. They take notes, ask questions, participate in discussions, and seek out additional resources to deepen their understanding. Toppers do not hesitate to ask questions. So what they do? They are seeking help when needed. Toppers cannot afford to ask for help when they encounter difficulties, whether it's from teacher, classmates, or online resources. They understand that seeking clarification is crucial for progress. Setting clear goals. Toppers have clear, specific goals that they work towards. They know what they want to achieve academically and set actionable steps to reach those goals. Adapting study techniques. Toppers understand that different subjects may require different study techniques. They experiment with various methods to find what works best for each subject and adapt their approach accordingly. Healthy balance. While academics are important, toppers recognize the value of maintaining a balanced lifestyle. They make time for hobbies, exercise, and relaxation, understanding that a well-rounded life contributes to overall well-being and academic success. So they every day go for yoga, exercises. Staying organized. Toppers keep their study materials, notes, and schedules organized. They use tools like planners, calendars, and digital apps to stay on top of deadlines and materials and assignments. Self-discipline. Toppers possess a high level of self-discipline. They can resist distractions and temptations, staying focused on their studies even when faced with competing interests. These things are going to help the weak students to learn from them. Resilience in the facts of setbacks. Toppers understand that setbacks are inevitable, but they don't let them derail their progress. They view failures as learning opportunities, analyze what went wrong, and adjust their opportunity or adjust their approach accordingly. So in the video, I talked about 10 aptitudes, 10 attitudes, or you can say the habits what the toppers have. If you want to be a good student, if you want that you can be a topper once and you want to be a topper once, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch the entire video. Watch the entire video, adhere to it, and make sure you follow all these 10 points. And after doing that, you'll surely get success. And the time when you're getting success, don't forget to write the comment. Even I'm waiting for your comment that yes, you're going to start with it. And when you're going to start with it, all the best for the same.